little waistband, man. My mom is sleeping. My mom is sleeping. You were watching what you get on. Suck yourself, man. What do you want me? You just really just want to sleep. I'm sure you well, look at this is doing. Be looking at the minute. Look at one, man. It's still on your head. Look down properly on it. Wow.
Like, I didn't need to do your hair, it's because you moved. I was like, I'll check the drum for sure.